Tangents and normals. Now this tangent is nothing but a line touching at one point on the curve. So we have always learned this with respect to the circle. A circle, there can be any curve. Okay, why we are talking about circle? Because it is easier to understand. So this tangent, when you have a 90-degree line crossing that tangent, that is called the normal. So this is a tangent touching one point. If you connect this point where the tangent is touching with the center of the circle, that is going to be the normal, and that will be 90 degree to the tangent. Okay, so tangent to a curve is a straight line that touches only at one point to any curve, and normal to this curve at that point is a straight line that is actually perpendicular to the tangent. So we may use a differentiation in order to find out the equation of the tangent and also the normal to the curve. Let us take an example. So we have a function called y equals x square minus 5x plus 8, and the point is 3 and 2. It can be any curve. A polynomial can have any form of curve. You need to find out the tangent and the normal. Please remember, tangent and normal are 90 degree to each other. And when we have 90 degree, one is, if you take slope is as 1 m1, the other is m2, m1 into m2 will be -1. Okay, so let us start with the gradient of the function at certain point 3, 2. So dy by dx is what? Just differentiated. It is 2x minus 5, 8 will be 0. So it will be dy by dx is 2x minus 5. So you have a point which is 3, x is 3. So just put 3 here. You don't have to worry about y here. So just put 2 into 3 minus 5. dy by dx at point 3 and 2 is simply slope, gradient of the function, or you can say slope m tan theta with respect to the positive x-axis. Now 2 into 3 minus 5 is simply 1. The slope of the tangent is 1. Now when you have the slope, when you have the point from which the line is passing, it is easier to find out the equation. We have y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. So this will be the equation of the tangent. So we have, this is a straight line formula. Please remember or recall, y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1. x1, y1 is the point through which the tangent is passing, and m is the slope of the tangent. M we have found out as 1. Y minus 2 equals 1 into x minus 3. 3 and 2 are the points. This is y equals x minus 1 is the equation of the tangent. Now in order to find out the normal, as I said, tangent or normal are perpendicular to each other. So the slope, which is nothing but the tan theta, so tan theta 1 into tan theta 2 will be equal to -1. You know already that. So m1 into m2, that is the slope of tangent and normal, is going to be -1. So once you have the slope of the tangent, which is 1, the slope of the normal will be -1. Okay, so -1 by 1 is -1. So now you know the point, because the normal is also passing through 3, 2, and you also have the tan theta, or you can say the slope of that normal, which is -1. So y minus 2 equals -1 into x minus 3, and this equation is going to be the equation of the normal. Now let me tell you how this normal is computed one more time. The normal is simply, we know that m1, m2 equals -1. So we already have the tangent, the slope of the tangent, gradient of the tangent. Now you can find out the slope of the normal. You can put it here. You have already the point. So y plus x minus 5 equals 0 is the equation.